Well, that was an unfortunate turn of events. Less than ideal. I mean, it was a rather disappointing affair, wouldn't you? No? Disappointing? That's not the right word. How about displeasing? I'm displeased. Distressed? Distressed and grief-stricken. Inconsolable. What are you doing? I told you to sit in the middle. Why do we have to keep going over this? A bit of common courtesy. Is that so much to ask while we're practically chauffeuring you about? Did we not establish that our line of symmetry is over here? And do you not realize that your blithe disregard for this is throwing the geometric spatial harmony in here completely out of kilter? Rather unfortunately, we were sidetracked. The vehicle has been disabled, and on the whole, the evening has not gone according to plan.
Oh! Well, that's not a problem. We got that covered. Loot, how many demons did you kill this year? Someone as worthless as you landed Lilith's little hottie. Grats on that, I guess. I know, I fucking rock.
Benny, well, this is fun and all, and very impressive. But you don't have anything a little bit more magical? What do you do?
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is God! You can manage her! Look out! What have you done?
Oh wow, what's the prize? You took the key to my house?
Yeah, we did.
But why would you? No, I'm just looking for my keys. Wait, who even are you?
Oh, really? This is a look, Alberta? Oh my God! Whoa! Well, of course it is! The map says that this is the right location, and it says the treasure will be a tremendous reward. And maps don't lie. And I know maps don't lie, because there was this one time I was at this restaurant and... No! This is the natural order!
I've been making pies all morning! Good show! Jolly good show! Jolly good show indeed!
You better show some respect. Check your behavior. No one speaks to Zestial that way. Did you expect us to sit back and take your insolent brazen display? You wannabes are inane and uninformed. Smug wannabes who don't heed when you've been warned. Oops, did I strike a nerve? Cause when I brought out the angel's head, couldn't help but observe that your wrinkled face was turning red. And why are you avoiding war? That's what the guns you sell are for. Thanks to my being respectless, one thing I'm starting to suspect is, you know why this angel's headless? You've got it twisted. I'm not the one who needs a new attitude. Maybe you missed it, but I'm that hashtag bitch, and I will do nothing less than what I please. Woo! I'm the backbone of the vase. Mad that I acted respectless. Well, it's cause no one could respect this.
It's not fair, Sarah. Careful, Charlie, keep a cool head. No, don't you care, Sarah? That just because someone is dead, it doesn't. Dad, when I was young, I didn't really know you at all. I always felt so small, but I heard your stories and I was enthralled. The tales about your lofty dreams, I listened breathlessly, imagining it could be me. So in the end, it's the view I had of you that show me dreams can be worth fighting for.
Well, I never expected to see such a miserable display of self-loathing from you. Do you mind? I'm in the middle of breakfast. You are much shorter in real life.
I'm sorry, what the fuck was that? This time, everyone needs to catch him, okay? Unless you want me to hurt you. Because I'm not the one who sent him storming out. You caused it, you drag him back.
Don't you worry. You're in safe hands, Susan. Welcome to Wonderland. You. A wonderful gift that will eventually become your new body. The hard part is over with now. Besides, you can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Why don't you go if you're so worried? You know, not a very convincing interrogation scene. That's bullshit. You get drunk and bitch about him all the time. Everyone likes to bitch to the bartender. I know everything about you and these motherfuckers at this point. That one is an insecure buffoon whose lonely ass watches you idiots sleep. Princess is a bleeding heart who wants to solve everybody else's problems except her own.
It needs to be about 20% cooler. Didn't you hear me? I said, whatever. I don't know if you're here to cheer me up or what, but I'm fine. Suck it up, Fluttershy! This is no time for... I mean, confidence or no confidence. I'm gonna need every Pegasus to break the record, including you. Well, how'd it do, Miss Twilight? A pleasure making your acquaintance. I'm Applejack. We here at Sweet Apple Acres sure do like making new friends.
No! There is no choice! They're the exact same belt! This is so silly! You see, the thing is I need you to, check the apples.
I used to be his second in command. I was a master of death. I did anything the Lord Commander asked of me. He above all else demanded loyalty. And one day he ordered all of his generals to prove their allegiance to him by killing their firstborn. I've made a lot of mistakes. You still want anything to do with me? On Ventrexia, wars never end. I hated war. The problem was, there was no one better at it than me.
These food memories. Now these. Have you tried a beignet before? Okay, yes, it's kinda like a donut, but so much more. He put me in a windowless cell, so small I couldn't even stand. For 10 agonizing years. I don't belong anywhere.